today I just want to walk you through on the Samba demo, just very brief, not all, but at least the important part. So once you open the Samba, this is the interface. It's only those that have login will be able to log in. Therefore, I have login, so let me try to log in. Enter pin, put pin, you hit enter. So once you enter as an admin, you'll be able to see all the features. So it's just very straightforward and a little bit good to look. So you have the work period, you have the POS, you have the ticket, you have the account, you have the warehouse, you have the report, you have the manage, right? So but for you to start selling, this is what you do. This one is inactive now. So for you to start selling, you need to enable your work period, meaning you have to start your work period. You start your work period and hit start. So the work period has started already. Therefore, you can be able to access your point of sale screen to start selling. So how do you sell your product? You click on POS to access. These are the all tables. You can be able to search customers and you can be able to check your customer ticket. Therefore, these are the entire list of your tables, and in these tables you can be able to place orders. So let us place an order on this table 10. So from table 10, when you open, this is the first thing you see. You see the first column telling you can be able to change table, you can be able to select a customer to add to your ticket, you can be able to add ticket note, you can be able to print bill and all of that. So what do you do? Here is the empty screen that displays this customer choice. I will explain that later. So these two columns here displays your categories. For instance, if I want drink, I click drinks and everything on drinks will display. If I want whiskey, I click on whiskey and everything on whiskey will display. Now what happens when the customer make a choice? Oh, I need bottled water. You click and display. This is the customer choice, the screen of the customer choice. Whatsoever you click from this side display. So this is show you the quantity, show you the name of the product, and it show you the unit price. What happens you want to click to, you can just click to and it will see display like that, like that. So once you are done, you now place your order in here. To place your order, this is where you place your order. You hit your close and the table occupies. So you take another order on B12. You can see the table B12 want to take an order under food sections. Therefore, you want to send an order to the food section. So once you hit close, it will automatically send the order to the kitchen. The reason why this thing is showing is because I did not configure the printer. That's why you're just seeing it like that. So but once the printer is active, it won't display anything. So looking at it so far now, we have two tables occupied. So whoever that logs into the system will be able to see that, oh, the table are occupied, two tables. So you want to access in yes, click and you can be able to see the orders inside. So once the customer is done and want to see the bill, you can be able to click. After the customer has consumed everything, want to see the bill, yes, customer, you can now click to print the bill. And immediately you print the bill, you now whenever you come, oh, the customer has consumed this product, I want to see the bill. Therefore, this one. So next thing is to set to the order, right? So you can now hit to actually set to the order. So you can now see the brief of what the customer consumed. This is the amount. So for you to set to the system charges, so you click on call. So you can is it cash, POS or bank transfer. Let's assume we use bank transfer. So once you click on that one, the table is wiped out. Now it's available to place another new order. So the same thing you want to go ahead and settle on this customer. Go ahead, call, then maybe this one is POS and that goes off away. So now the next one is how to actually sell or place an order in your Samba POS. So once you are done, let's go back to navigate to some other points. So click on main menu. So it takes you to another one. Here is report, because from here you can be able to see your work period report, you can be able to see your sales item report. So now let us click on the work period. So the work period will tell you the details of the total sales. You got the subtotals and all of that. Just break everything down for you. Now, what is your income? Your income under the POS is what you were able to sell. Under the bank transfer, this is what you are able to sell. On which date you can see, you can monitor, click, decide to use this one, check today's date. And see the today's one, the one that we just did, you can just see now, right? So it give you everything in details, the general information, so you can see the order account and all of that. You can just see everything just in brief. You want to see those items in details, how many, you can now see under the group by categories. You can see food box and this, and the quantity by group gives you in percentage. At this point, you know the product that are selling high, make you to take decisions as a leader. So what are those products? You can see these are the tests. So you can be able to filter based on, is it yesterday on, you click, you filter and it will give you everything you want. Is it last week or all of that? Is it past week or all of that? So that is what, those are the things that you really enjoy. It gives a very straight, and if you want to print this, you can go ahead and print this and it will save automatically. So about the few, there are so many, but that's all about. So now let us look at the inventory, the data accounting. The accounting just shows very brief the amount that you receive, the bank transfer and the POS and all of that. So this is the everything you can see. So this is why you see the under the accounting of the Odoo. So you're able to see for the all month, you can display everything. So when you display, click refresh, and that's all. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section, so that then this side is your manage, and from your manage you can be able to see some other thing to add the products. You can check for you to, these are the list of your products. So at this point you can edit your products and all of that. If the price, you can edit the price. Once you are done, you hit close, or you just come here under the price list editor, you click and you edit your product immediately. So that's all about the demo of this Samba. It's a very strong software that you will love it if you really want to automate your business. Thank you for watching. I will bring more of this.